So today's topic was Diamond Girl. No, we did a rock step.
Yes.
Yes. Into a hammerlock. Into a hip roll. Into a swing. Into another swing. Into a prep turn. Into bring back.
Oh, and then a.
Then a prep turn. And then.
Then a hook.
Yes. So let's do that.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Hooks. I mean, not hooks. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. At least you should be ready before the tap. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Hooks. Don't stay here. Hooks. Otherwise, it's easy. It's hard to do this. You see this? That hurts. Hooks. So I can do the hammerlock. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Should we do the swing every time in social dance? No. We can go right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Social dance, you don't have to do the swing. Here I did it because I wanted to introduce the 7. That's why I did it, okay? So from here, we did 5, 6, 7, 8. I do the swing, tap, prep, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You prep, 6, 7, boom. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Just by doing that, we switch timing. Okay? The whole thing with no interruptions, no breaks. Should I do it this way?
Yeah.
Basic. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 5, 6, 7. Tap. And 1, 3. Tap. 5. Hooks. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes?